You need a
like an 11 or something.
That's a clue. Save that.
Así.
Negativo algo así, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
Positivo, yeah.
Échale así.
Okay. Watch it already had a full tank, imagine. That's good.
No, nomás es para que le entre nuevo.
O para que haga el new blend
Yeah,
con más octane.
So burn it out.
Para que tenga más octane.
¿Quieres la batería o se la dejamos aquí?
Oh, I need the core.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, because the AutoZone told me to bring back the old core and they'll give me my $22 back.
It is a
Yeah.
Duralast stuff.
It is Duralast. Coming back home 20 years later. Your Christ.
Yeah. No, you got, look, it's dark, but.
Let me see. Oh, we're good.
It's darker than.
Rat turds. Oh, the black.
Hey, wait. Ándale.
Is that too much?
Yeah. No, ya prendió. Ese pinche motor está bueno.
It sounded healthy, huh?
Yeah.
It's clogged back there. Es que está tapado el filtro. No está resollando. Es más, le piso y no salta
Vamos
gas.
llevándolo.
No hay response.
Aquí le damos la vuelta así, la salimos por fuera.
¿Cómo?
Nos las tiramos.
¿O les tiramos? Ok.
Yeah.
Y ahorita le ponemos un fuel filter y ya jala.
Yeah.
Vamos al AutoZone.
Yeah. I almost got it ready, look.
Falta una que no vino.
Yeah.
Oh, you can.
Ahí está. It's this one right here.
I'm getting the shot so I know which bolts come off. No, pero ya sacaste mucho besides that one, huh? That's the main one.
No, I did 3 here. That one.
Uh-huh.
Shot comes out. There.
Míralo. No que no.
That's it.
Basically, they're just blocks, huh?
Yeah, they're like, well, they say every inch
Uh-huh.
is actually 2 inches lift.
For every inch you add is actually because of the tires
Yeah.
and everything else.
It's a 2 inch, so I bought a 3. So it's 1.5. Oh, nobody showed you the struggle.
I know they all freaking cut through it. Oh, and then you just gotta get this bolt out.
It's like,
Oh, so you watched the video before doing this?
I watched 2 videos, nobody showed you what to take off.
Yeah.
I was like, what's the point of it if I'm gonna struggle and not know that I'm going up for that, you know?
Yeah. Well, I guess that's part of experience, is all the unknowns as you start taking shit off. Oh, dang, we did it. Pull it out?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Oof. Now,
oh, motherfucker was a bitch. Oh, it's a little too high. There you go. You got impact?
yeah. Look what's right here.
¿Para arriba?
On the this side. Yeah. A little bit more.
Right there?
A little bit more.
The daily.